Well, good morning, everyone. We've got some nice sunshine today, so I figured it'd be perfect time to take the cat out and give that brush rake a test finally. Been busy with some other projects here and there, so haven't got a chance to get out and see how it does. So we're gonna take it up to the south side of the property, up towards the high hill, and push some manzanita around and see how it does. So here we go. So I cleared this pile of brush a few months back with the John Deere, just using the front end loader with the bucket teeth bolted on, and it worked pretty good. It was kind of a workout for the tractor, but at least gave us a bit of a clearing to set up our little chair here and sit and enjoy the view. So I think what I'm going to work on today is trying to clean up all this dead stuff and push it down the hill a little bit into a pile. Now, as you can see, there is no shortage of brush up here to put the tractor to work, but we've recently found out that the property falls under a fuel reduction project that the county is doing through CAL FIRE funding. So all of the land is going to get treated sometime this spring. They're going to start by bringing in goats, and whatever the goats don't take care of, they're going to run a masticator up here. So I'm not going to get too crazy with the dozer making a mess of this stuff, because I want to keep it alive for the goats to do their work on. That makes pretty short work of it. Well, a lot of it was dead stuff. Still push some new stuff out of the way. Let's see if we can get a better view of this. So far, nothing's bent or broke. All good things. Well, there you go. We're gonna call it quits for today. Did actually more than I had planned to. I was just having too much fun on that thing. It worked really well, exceeded my expectations for what it is. A little D2 Caterpillar, about 10,000 pounds weight. Still can't pull out some of the big oak stumps, but if you remember from early on in the video how thick this was, and now nice and clear all the way down to the road that I've messed up. I'll have to clean that up, but did really, really well. Bent one of the tines. Let's go up here and show you that. As hard as I tried not to turn when I had the tines in the ground, it's really hard, especially when it hits something and wants to move itself. So this lower one here on the left, you can see is a little wonky, but all the others are holding. Punch through here, just seeing that now. So maybe some thicker steel or some bars across. And I was pushing more than brush. Inside this pile was a bunch of down logs from cedar trees that were up here years ago, and root balls. So fair amount of weight. Some of them kept digging into the ground. Just another angle here of how much work we did all the way down. Cleared off this whole top side of the knoll. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. Again, sorry it took so long to get a video of this test run out, but a couple changes. A couple other people mentioned that this top might rack back into the front grill guard here, and it did. A couple times as things got stuck, I was backing out, you know, this would kick up like this. So I'm going to weld another plate up here a little bit. I also see I lost a light cover somewhere along the way and got schwacked in the head a couple times with brush. So that's the next thing this thing needs, is a canopy and some sweeps in the front to kind of go up and over me, and then some side screens to keep me a little bit safer than I was going under some of these low branches. So be sure to give it a like, subscribe so you can follow along and see that next part of the build, and hope you enjoyed.